everybody, welcome back to the channel. We're on stage 2. It's going to be a long job this, but really appreciate all those who've liked and subscribed so far. The interest's been great, and it's quite daunting doing a YouTube video for the first time ever and not really know what I'm doing. So thanks very much for your support. So I suppose we're at the most boring part now for you guys, just stripping the car. So I'm not going to show you every nut and bolt, but it was basically just to give you an update on where we are. The realisation for me though is I need a bigger garage, because the amount of parts that come off just take up more and more space, and I've got them hidden everywhere under beds and in cupboards and all sorts of things. So really need to move on with it. So I think engine's going to be next. Pull the engine out, and hopefully I can sell that on to someone who's an owner of a Mk1 Renault 5, which would be good. Some bits aren't going to be salvageable, but yeah, let's get on and see how we go, and thanks again. hopefully that wasn't too boring for you, but we just wanted to show you where we're up to with the car really. I wanted to show you every single stage of the build. So the engine's now out, that's now packaged up and ready for someone to purchase. Hopefully we need as much funds as we can to fund this build. And a couple of people have been interested who were into the Renault 4s for the 5-speed gearbox, but need to really sell it as a package. I've been looking to sell as many bits as we can. Unfortunately, I made a few mess ups on that one because I did look at the interior and think, oh, that's not very good. However, everyone's asked for the interior and I've skipped it, which is a great start, isn't it? But there you go. The body kit's arrived from MC Racing in France. Big thanks to Paul, my mate, for that. He's done us a sterling job there to help us sort that one out as well. The front hubs have been stripped and they've been sent off to Michael in Slovakia to Gemini Racing. He's going to modify those for the new front end that we're putting on the car with the bigger brakes and everything else. So they've gone and thankfully they've got there okay. Luckily it's nearly spring. It's been freezing in this garage and I'd be glad to get in when it's a little bit warmer because I haven't got a heater and I'm a little bit neshed, to be honest with you. So almost bare, brake pipes, servo, things like that to come out. Rear axle and tank's got to come off, and once they're out the way, then we are able to start working on the rear end. I've been to Aldi, to the toy aisle, and I've bought lots and lots of cutting discs, and I'm going to be cutting away at the back, and hopefully our Slovakian postman will be here soon with our rear end. And we can start getting that in, and then it will start getting a lot more interesting. So thanks very much for watching. Please like, subscribe, or whatever you do, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.